In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redo in Cursor AI. If you've ever undone a change and immediately wished you could get it back, this is exactly what you need. Redo is simply the reverse of an undo. It steps you forward to restore the last thing you removed or reverted, so you can confidently explore edits without fear of losing good work. Here's the core idea. After you undo something in Cursor AI, use a redo command to bring that change back. On Windows or Linux, there are two keyboard shortcuts that perform redo. The first is Ctrl+Y. Tap it once to restore the most recent undone change. Keep tapping it to move forward through your history, bringing back each undone step in order. If your setup doesn't respond to Ctrl+Y, use Ctrl+Shift+Z. It does the same thing, and many editors, including Cursor AI depending on your keymap or extensions, recognize both. Think of them as interchangeable ways to reverse and undo. A few practical tips will help this feel natural. Redo only works when there's something to redo, meaning you've just undone a change. If you press redo and nothing happens, it likely means there isn't an undone step available. Also, be aware that if you make a brand new edit after an undo, your redo history is typically cleared. That's normal behavior in code editors. Once you branch off with a new action, the path forward is reset. So if you're experimenting, consider using redo right away before making fresh edits. As you redo, watch the code in cursor position. You'll see the exact content you removed come back, line by line, change by change. This visual feedback confirms you're moving in the right direction. If you realize you've gone one step too far, you can always undo again and then redo selectively until the file looks exactly how you want. To recap the muscle memory, when you realize an undo went too far, reach for redo. Press Ctrl+Y on Windows or Linux. If that doesn't work in your environment, press Ctrl+Shift+Z. Both commands bring back what you undid, and you can repeat them to walk forward through your recent history. With this simple technique, Cursor AI becomes far more forgiving, letting you iterate quickly while staying in full control of your changes.